Lending Stream is a direct lender of short-term loans and have been providing borrowing solutions to UK customers online since 2008. They are a trading name of Gain Credit LLC, who also provide credit solutions through their Drafty brand. How much can I borrow? First-time customers can apply for loans between £50 and £800, while returning customers can request a loan of up to £1,500. Approval will largely depend on how well previous loans were managed. What are Lending Stream repayment terms? Customers are able to repay their loan over a 6 or 12-month period. The repayment terms are provided once you have applied and an offer has been made. How much interest is there to pay? Lending Stream's representative APR is 13.33%. Their interest rate is 292% per annum, which means a daily interest rate of 0.8%. Borrowing £200 over a 6-month period based on the above APR and annual interest rate of 292% would mean paying back 6 monthly installments of £64.44. At the end of the term, the total amount repaid would be £386.61. Are Lending Stream authorized and regulated by the Financial Conduct Authority, FCA? If you visit the FCA register page, you will see that Lending Stream is a trading name for Gain Credit LLC, who have been authorized by the FCA since 22/7/2016. Are you able to repay a Lending Stream loan early? Yes, you can repay the loan early at any time without any additional costs attached. How quickly will they send the money? Lending Stream state that once the loan has been agreed to by both parties, funds will be transferred in as little as 90 seconds. They'd also state that the time it will take to clear will vary depending on who you bank with. How do you apply for a Lending Stream loan? To be eligible for a Lending Stream loan, you must be aged 18 years or over, a UK resident, in regular employment and receiving a monthly income of £400 or above. Once you have completed the online application form, Lending Stream state that in some cases you may also be asked to provide proof relating to your income and expenditure. Do Lending Stream charge any late payment fees? Lending Stream state they may charge for late payments, with fees never exceeding more than £15 across all payments. How can you contact Lending Stream customer services? You can contact the Lending Stream customer service team Monday to Friday between 9 a.m. and 6 p.m. or 9 a.m. to 1 p.m. on Saturdays on 203-808-4440. For existing customers, you can access a live chat facility through your online account. There is no email address, but you can send a message via the contact page on the website. Do Lending Stream have an app for customers? There is no mobile app available to download. Will customers be given an online account? Every successful applicant will be given their own Lending Stream online account where they can manage the loan, track installment schedules, chat to customer services, and make payments. What sort of Lending Stream customer reviews are online? As of January 2022, Lending Stream have over 43,000 online customer reviews. They have been awarded an excellent rating of 4.4/5 from 16,551 reviews on Trustpilot. They have a rating of 4.79 from 26,795 reviews on reviews.io. Do Lending Stream have social media accounts? Twitter, @LendingStream. Facebook, homepage. Lending Stream summary. Lending Stream are a direct lender providing customers with access to loans between £50 and £1,500. First-time customers can loan up to £800, while returning customers can apply to loan up to £1,500, depending on how they handled their previous account. They advertise a representative APR of 13.33% and a daily interest rate of 0.8% and are fully regulated and authorized by the FCA. Anyone wanting to apply for a Lending Stream loan must be at least 18 years old, living in the UK, in regular employment and in receipt of at least £400 per month. If you are approved for a loan, funds are usually transferred in 90 seconds to your account, although depending on your bank it may take longer to clear. Loans can be repaid early without any additional charge, and missed payments may incur further charges of no more than £15. There is no app available, but you will be given an online account. Customer feedback for Lending Stream is 4.4/5 on Trustpilot.